What's up, online shoppers? If you are looking to get yourself a really awesome air fryer, this one here from Chefman is absolutely a family favorite at our house. Now, it has lots of really cool functions, including preset temperatures here for things like vegetables, meat, fish, chicken, or French fries. You have the option to bake, air fry, or dehydrate, and you can adjust the temperature here quite easily just with a push of the button. Right up here, you also have the option to turn a light on inside here so you can see what's going on while you're cooking. I absolutely love that feature. I love that there's this really cool glass door in here that I can look through and see what's cooking inside, and that's pretty awesome. Now, when you order this air fryer, you get 3 of these trays and then 1 flat one that goes in the bottom. I definitely suggest getting air fryer liners for them because it makes for a much easier cleanup. Now let's get to cooking. I have some chicken in here and I have some little potato fritters. So I'm just going to put it on. Pretty easy to get it going. Just air fry and then time like this. You can adjust the time or the temperature just like that. We're going to put it in for 22 minutes and we're going to get it started just like that. This is a super easy machine to operate. Now, what I love about it is touch friendly. It is small enough to fit under my counter, but big enough for me to cook a whole chicken. And I really, really love that when I use it, it doesn't take up a ton of space on my counter. I ended up getting a really nice little slider right here for it. So it moves in and out on my counter really nice and easy. And I highly suggest getting one of those. Now, I have baked cakes in here. I have dehydrated and made fruit leather in here. And one of my favorite things about this is how fast food cooks. 22 minutes for chicken breast, crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, definitely not dried out or chewy or leathery. This Chefman air fryer has definitely been able to help me out with meals when it comes to feeding my family. I have a family of 4 and we can definitely cook French fries on the bottom, chicken on the shelves on top, and you can have up to 4 shelves in here at the same time, which is super convenient. Well, we're almost done cooking here, so I can open up the door pretty soon and show you how absolutely awesome this chicken and these potato fritters are going to turn out. If you want a way to cook for your family that's fast, conservative of energy, because really you're just heating up this little space, these air fryers are absolutely awesome. I'm going to turn the light on in here. So there we know it's ended, shuts everything else off, gives you the end message, and you can just open this up now like this. And there you go. Take a look at that. The chicken is juicy and crispy. Take a look how beautiful that is. Golden, crispy on the top. I'll cut it open and show you how great it is. And these little potato fritters have gotten nice and crispy as well. A couple more things about the air fryer. Underneath here, you can see that they have a really nice little drip pan. It's great because when you're cooking chicken like this, it does do a great job of catching all the drippings. And if you're thoughtful about how you layer things, you can put the things that are drippy on the bottom and the things that aren't drippy on the top. Now you can see that there are spots in here for 1, 2, 3, 4 different shelves. And if you look in the back corners over here, you can actually attach a rotisserie in here and cook a chicken, and that is definitely something to see. This makes the juiciest, most tender rotisserie chicken. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. Cleanup for this is pretty easy. The little grease tray on the bottom here comes out and you can get everything a really nice good wipe. I'm pretty impressed with how easy this little window is here to clean, and the outside is also really easy to clean as well. If you were looking for a great appliance to use in your family to cut time, cut energy costs, and increase how quickly you can eat, an air fryer like this one by Chefman is absolutely a top recommendation for me. We make chicken in here, we make fries, we make snacks, we bake cakes and little muffins. There's so many different things that you can do with this. It's definitely become something that my family cooks with all the time, whether it's the kids throwing chicken fingers in here really quick for a nice warm fast lunch, or making little breakfast items, or even reheating the leftovers from the night before. You've got so many options with an air fryer like this. Definitely a family favorite at my house.